Hi everyone, welcome back to Stu's DIY. Today's video, we're going to disassemble this pool table, basically destroy it. I believe it's about 700 pounds. It's a 6-foot table. I can't get it out myself. Put it up on the Facebook Marketplace for free and had a few guys come and look at it, but we physically can't get it out of the table. So on today's video, you're going to see a little pool table destruction. So stay tuned. And yeah, so basically this pool table, I can't get it up the stairs. So that's the biggest part with this thing, is it's a discontinued pool table. So it's not like hiring movers to come move it. It's just not safe. It's just it's really not safe to move it up the stairs and have a potential of getting hurt or somebody messing something up in the house. So today I'm just going to set you up with a little time lapse, and if there's something interesting or something that I think that you guys might find interesting, I'll stop the time lapse and show you snippets or whatnot. So stay tuned. Hope you all enjoy watching the pool table get destroyed.